Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to use Thread application of Instagram. First of all, I will tell you Thread application is like Twitter. You can post, comment, like or dislike. Now I will show you how to use Thread application of Instagram. First of all, open Thread application on your device and tap on pencil icon bottom of your screen. Now you can see there is an option of writing something, so you can write here something like I am writing hi, how was today, and below this you can see a attachment button, so you have to attach anything on your this thread. For example, I select a flower picture and tap on done. Now you can see option of post bottom of this thread, so tap on post button to post this thread. Now you can view this thread that it has been posted or not. As you can see on your screen that this thread has been posted. Now if you want to comment on this post, for example I write here nice, so you have to type nice and tap on post button to post your comment. Now go back. You can also share this thread to your story, or you can copy the link of this thread. Now go back. Here you will see different threads on your this thread application, so you can like, comment or share any of the thread. For example, here I like here the Babar Azam picture, and now I can comment here. Before going into further details of this video, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us. So let's continue the video. For example, I comment here good and tap on post button to post your comment. Now if you want to view the comment, tap on view button. Scroll down. Here you can see that I wrote a comment good. So in this way you can use the thread application like a Twitter. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.